Hi, today we're looking into spelling quiz form. So this is a simple quiz form that helps you take spelling quiz tests from the candidates. So as you can see, we have got certain fields over here where the candidate can choose in the options. You can obviously edit and customize all these fields as per your choice. This is just a sample template. So how exactly does it work? Once the form is filled in, you can go to the responses view. Under the responses view, you can see all the responses that are getting captured in due course of time. So the very first thing that you need to do is just head over to the form builder, click on share form and click on copy form link. Once you click on this link, it will copy the form link for your use case. Just expose this link to the particular person who wants to fill in the form. Okay. So once they open up this link, they will be able to see all the fields that are required for their use case. And let us wait for a while as the form is getting loaded, and then we will be able to fill up the form and see how it exactly works. So as you can see, the quiz form has loaded up right now. I'm just going to put in some of the details over here, and then I'm going to start choosing the different things in the options. Okay, so I have chosen all the things, and now I'm going to click on submit. Once I click on submit, you can see the response has been submitted, and if you go to the quiz form responses side of things, you can see the response that has been captured over here. Okay, so this is how the quiz form particularly works. You can obviously make changes to the fields as and when you require, as I've already told you about this. Another important tool that I want to talk about is PDF output. PDF output is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It exercises the use of a Notion page, which acts as the source of the template file. So this is the PDF template file where you will edit and modify the changes. And it requires a Notion database, which has all the contents that you would like to replace on a Notion page to generate the PDF documents. So essentially, Notion database works as a CRM where you are storing all the information in the form of a database, and Notion page gives you the template file where you can make changes and generate the documents in bulk. I've added a video of invoice template which is being generated in bulk using the same workflow, that is the Notion page and Notion database. You can definitely watch this video to understand the workflow more in detail. So please do check out PDF output for this. If you're looking to reach out to me, just head over to Notion for my use at gmail.com. Just send me an email over here and I will be able to assist you with any of the queries or questions which you might have. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.